Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob, and I wanted to show you here about a 3 to 4 minute video on how I use seasonality in my trading. So I thought I'd give you two examples, okay? These are two opportunities that I had. First is the NDAQ, the NASDAQ Incorporated. And what you'll see is this is the daily chart, and then this is the weekly chart. The weekly chart has my seasonal predictions, and for this video, we'll focus on the 10-year pattern. And you can see right here, the lag line, this white line is what typically happens. Okay, price goes higher. The more the slope, the higher the price typically goes, right? And you can see from my Fibonacci candles, price has gone higher. But what happens is, folks, is once we have that seasonal kick in, it'll show up on my scanner as an opportunity. Then the scanner will show me when it triggers. And this is my Laguerre seasonal trigger that I like to use right here. That would have been my entry, and it all shows up on my scan. Now, the cool thing about seasonality is sometimes when you use seasonality, right, because remember what that is, it's really institutional buying in this case. Okay, you can ride these for quite a few days because typically what happens is institutions, they don't buy all in one day. Okay, they take several days to weeks to months when they're buying a position. That's seasonality. So once I'm into the trade, folks, I use Fibonacci to manage the seasonal trades. And what that means is the exit point will be on a red dot. So you can see there's no red dots yet. We have a red candle here, which is the first red candle we've had. If tomorrow this opens up as a red candle and I get a red dot, I'm out of this trade. Okay, so, but what it allows me to do is when I get these runners, it allows me to run. Okay, let me give you one other example here. Riot, right? A lot of you like to trade Riot. Okay, so what you'll notice with Riot in a lot of crypto type stocks, okay, you can see here, there's a bullish seasonal pattern. You see how it slope, how large that slope is to the upside, typically right around November 1st. So then when I go back to the daily chart here, I had a trigger, right here, mid-November, and you can see everything's in alignment. Again, we have the seasonal pattern and we have green in the background. And so as you can see, still in this trade. Okay, no red dot yet as price goes to recent highs up here on Riot. But what is my exit point? Well, it'll be on the red dot. So using seasonality to catch these waves and then having specific rules of when to exit is what I specialize in. Now, in saying that, let me just show you real quickly my scanner. So my seasonal scanner will show me this, the 20, 40, 60-day % increase or decrease. If I were to switch this, it also looks for short opportunities. Okay, but then when I get my trigger, this is what I focus on. So I can look for trades very, very quickly each evening and then take and execute the trades the next morning. So if you're interested in this, folks, I'm going to have a live training tomorrow, Wednesday, December 6th at 10 o'clock Eastern. Just go to becomeabettertrader.com/yes. So becomeabettertrader.com/yes. And you can register. And again, I'm going to go over, again, my specific rules, how I find these cool trades. Seasonality is an incredible tool. And it's definitely my quarter one favorite technique. So quarter four, which is October, November, December, and then quarter one, January, February, March is my favorite time with seasonality. And I'm excited to show you all tomorrow, Wednesday, December 6th at 10 o'clock Eastern. So don't forget to register, folks. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow in the class. Have a good day.